Oil catch cans are a great way to extend the life of your engine in your vehicle. Today we're going to be installing this JLT black driver side oil catch can onto our 2012 Ford Raptor. This JLT oil catch can features a black anodized finish with all of the necessary hardware to get it fitted up onto your 2011 to 17 F-150, equipped with either a 5-liter or a 6.2-liter engine. This is also going to fit the engines equipped with a Roush supercharger, whether it be a 5-liter or a 6.2-liter, within that same year range. This will easily install on the driver's side with the included hardware and fittings, so let's get it thrown onto this Raptor and help extend that engine life. Okay, first step is to pop the hood so we can gain access to our engine, baby. Okay, now that you've got the hood open, you're going to go onto the driver's side. This is a driver's side oil catch can, so obviously we're going to start there. Right up here on the firewall, you're going to find a small silver bolt. On the Ford Raptor, it'll be like this, as well as the 5.0. This is right in front of your brake booster. We're going to use a 10mm socket to get this pulled off. That way we can install that oil catch can right back there. Helps to use a small extension as well. Now that we've got that bolt out, I'm going to go ahead and remove the hose that goes from the intake to the top of your valve cover. It's going to be this hose right here. As you can see, it goes into your intake as well as down here on the valve cover. Now to get these factory connections off, what you're going to do is push them clockwise. There's a little gray tab, push that down, and they'll pull right off. Same with the one on the bottom. Push it clockwise, then the whole thing's gonna pull right off. If you look right inside the hose, you can already see some oil right here. Both of those fittings are almost completely covered. So this catch can is going to catch all of that going back through and getting back into your intake system, which is not good for your engine. So there's just a little bit of proof in the pudding, you could call it. So we're gonna get that catch can on. And then after like 15,000 miles, you'll want to drain the catch can to make sure it doesn't overflow and it allows it to go back through. Let's get that catch can installed now. Everything's ready for our JLT oil separator to be put in. Make sure that the actual catch can is nice and tight. You don't want to make it too tight because it's going to heat up in there and it'll actually make it tighter. So we've got that all installed. Mess around with this a little bit. Let's get it installed. I'm going to go underneath those hoses. We're going to use that bolt that we just removed to attach this to the firewall. Get that nice and snug. As you can see, it's firmly in place there. Now when you look at both of these hoses, your left side hose, the one facing the passenger side, that fitting is going to go into your intake, and the one on the right side is going to go into the valve cover. All you've got to do is snap them into place. Snap that right under the valve cover. Make sure everything's nice and tight, and that'll complete your install. With that oil catch can installed, you're not going to catch all that excess oil that was giving you blow-by in your factory engine and setup. This is a great way to protect your engine and extend your engine life, and it's super simple to install, as you just saw there. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes to get it on. You only need a 10mm socket, and you can do it right in your driveway. Now to find this JLT oil catch can, as well as many other great parts for your Raptor or F-150, be sure to check us out at cjponyparts.com.